Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So after staying at the Edge Hotel and then the Meridian in Jimbaran, I'm now moving to the Seminyak area. I guess a lot of travelers are like me who are staying at different hotels because of the heavy traffic in Bali. So we're moving from hotel to hotel, from different areas to different areas. I have stayed at the Trans Resort before. This is where I am. It's in the Seminyak area. Last time I stayed in a deluxe room, and this time we're trying out villa, which is very nice. So I'm at villa number 1. I'm going to give you a quick room tour. So actually it's a very busy hotel. They are doing very well, but if you book a villa, it's very quiet in here. And that is very awesome that they have both the deluxe room or like the normal hotel rooms product, as well as a villa like this in the busy Seminyak area. So this is the quick room tour. They have the outside dining and living room area, but under the shade and with a good ceiling fan, so you can enjoy the sun as well as the swimming pool. So this is the in-villa swimming pool. With the day beds over there. So they even have a fridge that you can put in cold drinks in there and enjoy it. And tomorrow morning, I'm going to have breakfast in villa. So I'm going to have breakfast here. So we'll show you more. Okay, now I'm going into the villa. Oops, okay. Oh, air conditioning, nice. Okay, so this is the indoor living room area with the sofa and then the work desk with a lot of information. I have just booked as far. They have butler service and they ask you if you have WhatsApp, and then the butler will communicate everything to me via WhatsApp. So very nice customized letter, and then welcome amenities, welcome gift. Okay, and you can see they have high quality linen and pillow, and then with their logo, the Trans logo. And they are really using good amenities, good brands. Okay, so this is the view to wake up to. So this is the bed, and you wake up to your pool view. And then they have the TV, and then they have the not espresso, but it's kind of like the capsule type of coffee machine. And with the kettle, with the mugs, espresso mugs, tea bags, etc. So you can order things to put in the minibar if you want to, or this can be used as your fridge. So they do not stock it up, but you can order and put it in the fridge. I guess that's how it works. Okay. So walking in, okay, the Trans Resort Bali, and then they have the safe deposit box, the laundry bag, And then I haven't opened it. Okay. I would love it. Two very good quality bathrobes. And then inside is the bathroom with really a highly functional and very good quality jacuzzi. So if you stay in other hotels, you can see some jacuzzi is not, it's the basic one, but this one is really the mechanical, the high quality one. Well done. Okay, so they have the double sink, the male and female, each on one side. And then this is the toilet. So on the ladies' side, they put the hair dryer in the drawer, as well as the makeup mirror. So very well designed, very thoughtful. And then this is the rain shower room. Again, they do not really just say they have it, but really the quality is good. You know, the one with pressure, good pressure. And this is the amenities. And this door opens right up to the swimming pool, to the in-villa swimming pool. So again, in Seminyak, if you want some Balinese culture, like stronger culture type of villa, this is certainly one good choice. And actually they have a very big and nice swimming area. I was told the sand was actually came from Australia, and they have water slide and such. So I'm going to check it out, and I'm going to continue to report my stay here at the Trans Resort Bali. Thank you.